Well, what we've got here is a modern, and being modern, I'm going to have to get Beth to tell me all about it.
Okay, so we are in the 991 Turbo S. I got to drive it the other day and it was amazing. I don't quite resisting the urge to put your foot down is quite hard because this thing is ridiculously quick. It's a 3.8 twin turbocharged flat six, and I think, don't quote me, but I think it's about 550 horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque, but it is so torquey. And
It could pull your horse box.
It could pull my horse
It
box.
would pull the front clean off the horse box, I reckon. So, like, one of the things that I was talking to a customer about was he was asking me, should he buy a 992 a 991 GT2,
Yeah.
a 991 GT3, and when I was talking to him about how he was going to use the car, I suggested that we went for a turbo, because I think that the turbo is a fantastic road car, whereas I think that the RS cars the GT cars are much more focused, but these are wickedly quick. See, this one's got a glass roof, which is
Yeah,
quite
I was
nice.
going to say, I think the nice thing about this one as well is all the spec that you get with it. So you've got all your home comforts, you've got a Burmeister sound system in this one, you've got your carbon trim, which is a nice touch in contrast to the Alcantara.
Porsche do a beautiful job of this.
Yeah.
They really do. Memory seats.
Memory seats, for when you're going to share your car.
Yeah, I wouldn't be sharing it.
Me neither.
Hardly any mileage on it, 11,000 miles.
Yeah, it's been someone's pride and joy.
Isn't it just? It's got-
Corona was standard on the Turbo
Yeah.
S's.
I like the leather dashes, and the leather in the turbos is especially nice. Sound system's great. I think it's got probably everything that man could want for, and I reckon this would have been, what, about 140-ish thousand pounds new, something like
You've
that.
probably got a better idea than me.
Yeah, it's a fortune. Anyway, so we've got Turbo S here, and it's on sale at £80,000.
Yes.
79,995.
Yes.
You can call Beth and she'll help you out with it and tell you everything you need to know.